Anyone who's ever started a home improvement project knows that measuring is the first and most important step in any process. Even the slightest miscalculation can throw off your project. If you've used traditional measuring tools, you know how frustrating and inefficient this can be, especially with hard-to-measure spaces. Introducing 3Dazer, a revolutionary measuring device that turns your iPhone into a smart laser measurer. 3Dazer is a patented, more advanced and convenient way to measure. It'll simplify and cut your measuring time to a fraction of what you'd normally have to spend and make your project go more smoothly. 3Dazer attaches magnetically, so all you have to do is snap the case that's included with the 3Dazer onto your iPhone and you're ready to go. 3Dazer is the only measuring device on the market that's driven by an iPhone app. This enables it to use iPhone's advanced embedded sensors to make it more powerful. With 3Dazer, you can measure the space directly or indirectly, making measuring simple and easy. Measuring tasks that were once next to impossible are suddenly made effortless. 3Dazer is sleek, compact, and comes with its own drawstring pouch, making it easy and convenient to have with you wherever you go. Use 3Dazer to measure objects as well as spaces. With a click of a button, switch to indirect mode to measure the distance between 2 points. After measuring, record the measurement. Take a photo and add either text notes or a voice memo. It'll automatically store on your iPhone for future reference, and you can easily share the information with others. With 3Dazer, it's no pen, no paper, no ladder, no problem. And for the professional, there are more features with 3Dazer Pro to help you work more efficiently. Manage multiple projects. Sketch floor plans quickly. Store information on a secure cloud to share with coworkers and clients. 3Dazer. Measure, record, share.